explain the chart. There's a lot of different investment topics out there. And Scott, for you, show us your chart and explain what do you see happening.
Well, number one, right in front of everyone is the S&P 500. And this chart is a daily chart. So each line represents a day of trading. And we're going back almost a full year. But the significance, what we're actually looking at are the two white lines that I drew in this chart. And if everyone knows their shapes here, they know that looking at a symmetrical triangle here that is converging. And you're seeing the S&P 500 get to a point where it's bumping up against the top and the bottom, and it has to break out one way or the other. It either breaks out to the top or it breaks out to the bottom. This week, we have seen, and you're able to see it right on the chart, that breakout. It has now moved above that resistance level on the S&P 500. So we are watching those critical levels right now, and we're going to be seeing a little bit more resistance come in to levels that we saw back in January. But this chart, the significance of this is we are looking for patterns in technical analysis. We're looking for things like this that have played out before.
I've seen this before in a magic show,
where we could look at this triangular pattern and be able to measure where are we going to break out. We can either go up or down. We already know that. That's a fact of life in investing. But in the way this pattern is moving to that upside, as well as some of the variables that I mentioned before, I believe that the movement higher that we've seen this week alone, that could continue over the short period of time before the next resistance level is in play.